Hey, this is the video for Biodiversity.3. So go ahead and set up a new entry in your Cornell notes. Remember to start a new page for this video. Also, check out the essential vocabulary. Today we will be looking at biodiversity and HIPCO. So for starters, biodiversity is simply the variety of organisms in a specific area. More biodiversity means more stability. And that's because there's more connections between different organisms. And we'll talk about the connections in our next topic, energy flow. But the more connections you have, the overall more stable that an ecosystem will be, or an environment. So one area that is very biodiverse is around the tropics. And that is, for example, this is representing the Amazon rainforest. The tropical areas have high temperatures, and also because of the geography of the earth, they have large amounts of rainfall. So very high rainfall and high temperatures allow a lot of plants to grow, allow a lot more connections to be made. Now, HIPCO is simply an acronym that's indicating the causes of biodiversity loss. So one is habitat destruction. Another example would be like deforestation, or cutting down all of the trees. Another one is invasive species. Invasive species are organisms that don't belong in an area and kind of take over. Pollution. So we have air pollution, we have water pollution, noise pollution. Another one is climate change. Climate change can impact the weather patterns globally. And the last one is overharvesting. Overharvesting is when you remove too many of a particular organism from an area. And all of these can indicate or can contribute to biodiversity loss. So instead of saying something is bad for the environment, it's better to say that it contributes to biodiversity loss. That's a better way to respond to a question. Again, do not ever say that it's bad for the environment. Say that some activity contributes to biodiversity loss, and you're guaranteed to get points on that question. Now, this is a graphic. So again, we have habitat loss or habitat destruction, invasive species, pollution, climate change, overharvesting. All of these activities can contribute to biodiversity loss. Now, finally, I would like you to respond to this check for understanding. I hope that this video was informative. I thank you for your attention, and I will see you soon.